Fibonacci, the guy who led to this shirt, this t-shirt, and now this t-shirt. He was born in 1170, a year that started on a Thursday, and only 32 years away from the year that the Fibonacci sequence was given to us beings from the godly, probably very moisturized hands of Fibonacci. Fibonacci, bless his soul, sacrificed his early 30s for mathkind, bringing us a sequence to end all sequences, the Fibonacci sequence. And sitting next to him in the VIP section of Math Heaven is the army of rabbits produced in the process of the foundation of the sequence. A threshold of carrot-eating cotton-tailed rabbits led to the discovery of a sequence that should be called the Peter Rabbit sequence, but Fibonacci swooped in and took that from them too. First, their freedom, and now their credibility. The reproduction cycle of rabbits relating to the Fibonacci sequence isn't some weird phenomenon. In fact, the Fibonacci sequence can be seen all throughout nature. Rabbits were just lucky enough to be the ones spotted by Fibonacci. Well, I'm not sure if some guy watching you try to start a family is exactly considered lucky. Let's say for Christmas your mom gives you a newborn bunny and your dad gives you a newborn bunny. How did this happen? Well, your parents are divorced and struggle to communicate and plan ahead. Either way, there are now two new bunnies to take care of. You are strangely eager to get them to have a kid. But uh-oh, they came with a rule book and it says they can't reproduce for a whole month of being alive. Crazy, right? So you, being the weird kid who asked for rabbits for Christmas, creates a plan to record how many pairs exist after each month, a pair being 2. So you, with your salmon-colored Crayola crayon, write down the number 1, since that's what you started with. After a month of sitting in a chair and staring at your rabbit enclosure, you mark a 1 down for the amount of pairs that exist. You now have 1, 1. The next month, however, another pair of rabbits appear, a wonderful sight. The bare rabbits lay limp on the ground, taking in the world around them. You mark down a 2, representing the old generation of rabbits and the newly birthed rabbits, leaving your total at 1, 1, 2. Another month passes, you realize some things have changed. The original pair has birthed another set of rabbits, and the second pair is now looking older and ready to settle down. This bringing the total to 1, 1, 2, 3. This continues on. On the 5th month, there are now 5 pairs. The OG pair, the second pair's first offspring of 2, and the now older third pair, bringing the total to 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. This pattern continues and slowly reveals none other than the Fibonacci sequence. This is also how Fibonacci used rabbits to find the sequence. Fibonacci is you as a kid. It's all a metaphor. Life repeats, energy transfers, breaths aren't taken but instead shared, lungs filled with the breath of another, lives intertwined, hands holding. Fibonacci. Fibonacci uses very same bunny breeding tactic to witness the sequence. Fibonacci in some rabbits in a few months, the perfect equation for the perfect sequence.